We have two 3D printed parts for using to assemble a solar filter for viewing the eclipse through your camera lens safely. I have a 3D printed cover, a 3D printed adapter ring that I call the support collar, and a thin sheet of the solar filter paper, film, and we have a 300 millimeter, 1 to 300 millimeter zoom lens that fits the Lumix micro four thirds cameras, Panasonic Lumix micro four thirds camera. This happens to be the 1 to 300 millimeter zoom lens f 4.0 5.6, and it has a filter size of 67 millimeters. So simply take the lens cap off, which I've already done, take the lens hood off, and take your support collar, and it simply fits over similar to the bayonet style installation of the lens hood. Simply set it down and lock it into place. Take our filter film, put it in, lay it down, the shiny side down, or the reflective side down, I should say. They're both kind of shiny, but the silvery side down. Inside the cover, take the whole lens assembly, snap it into place. Maybe run your finger around the perimeter to make sure it's seated squarely. See, there's a final snap, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.